So we have Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts. We're going to show the basic defense from the body lock clinch, okay? Very important. I have to first get either cross face to the eyes or here. Okay, see how that works? You're gonna have to train this a lot to get your hips used to this. Now we're here, get the hips out. I can go over under clinch, which I can start to get away, start to push away, or just get to more of a safe distance. We both have knees here. I have to get some sort of barrier between him and I. I'm here, getting my hips out. See how that happens? I'm shooting my hips, basically getting my ass out.
And even if I'm coming in and I have my face right up against his chest,
yes, I have
trying to prevent him from
yes.
slipping in there, and he's still getting it.
Do you want to go that again? He's keeping really tight. I have to get something. Okay, right here he's giving me no eyes or anything. I have to get out of the position from that way.